Hi, boys and girls. Today we are going to review Chapter 10. In this chapter, you learned different graphs, picture graph, bar graph, and a tally chart. These are great tools to help you collect data and compare information. This is the last lesson of this chapter. There will be no test for you to take. Therefore, before you continue watching this video, I want you to pause this video and try to do this review by yourself. After you finish that, you can come back to this video and check how well you have done. You also can give yourself the points if you get question correctly. Right now, you should have your Chapter 10 Go Math book, a pencil, and an eraser. Once you're ready, turn to page 617. You may start to do this review independently. You can start now. Okay, now I hope you try your best to solve the problems. I will go through each question. You need to check your answer. If you did correctly, remember check it, give yourself point. If you did wrong, use other color to correct it, and make sure you know how to do it after I explain. 好, let's start it. Number 1. Use the picture graph to answer the questions. So this is a picture graph that it shows color we like. Okay? Number 1, how many children choose red crayon? I know each picture stands one for one child. So let's go to the row for red crayon. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I know there's a 5 children choose red crayon. So let's quickly answer the question. How many children choose red crayon? It will be 5. Easy. Let's go to the second question. Is the sentence true? Choose yes or no. First, more children like blue than red. Is it yes or no? Let's go back to our picture graph. Things I know, there's 5 children choose a red crayon. I know there's 6 children choose the blue crayon because this is one more to compare the red crayon, right? Okay, so there's 6 children choose blue crayon than red crayon. So the answer is yes. Very good. Next, 5 children like red. We saw that. We solve it when we do the first question, right? So it's yes. Third, 2 more children like blue than red. Let's go back to our picture graph. We know 6 children choose blue and 5 children choose red. 6 minus 5, it will be only 1 more child like blue than red, not 2. So I will mark no. Okay, ready? Let's go to the third questions. 1 more child gets a blue crayon. Draw what the blue row looks like now. This is the original look like. And they ask us to add 1 more child. So I will just draw 1 more child to this row. And this is my blue row where it looks like now after I add 1 more. Okay? So ready to go to the next page? Let's go. This is a bar graph. Use the bar graph to answer the questions. This is a 4. How many days were sunny? So let's go to the sunny bar to figure out how many sunny days were there. So when we go to the bar graph, we know always check the end of the bar to see what number is stop. The number will stop at 7, so I know there is 7 days were sunny, okay, from this bar graph. Let's go to the next one. Number 5. compare raining day and the sunny day. Circle the number that make the sentence true. So things we already know, there's 7 sunny days over here in this month. So let's figure out how many days are raining. Okay, so let's go to the bar of raining. Check the end of the bar for raining. It stops at the 11. So I know 11 raining days are there in this month, and the 7 days are sunny. Let's compare these two weather. So it will be 11 minus 7 equal 4. Very good. So we know there were 4 more raining days than sunny day. Circle the 4. Next questions. Anne says the graph shows 1 more raining day than cloudy day. Is she correct? Okay, so now we need to compare the raining day and the cloudy day. We already know there's 11 raining day, and let's see how many cloudy day they have. Check the bottom, check the end of the cloudy bar. So it stops at 12. So I know there's a 12 cloudy day and only 11 raining day. When you compare that, you know there's 1 more cloudy day than raining day. So Anne is not correct. She said in opposite way. So you are going to check no, and you are going to write your answer. This is my answer. Let me show you. You are going to tell them the graph shows 1 more cloudy day than raining day. This is the correct from the graph. Okay? Okay, once you check your page, let's go to the next page. If you did not finish correct this page, you can stop the video and make sure you correct everything. And make sure you know how to do it. Okay, let's go to 7. Now it will be tally chart. Use the tally chart to answer the questions. Sam's cars and the truck. So this is a tally chart to show how many cars and how many trucks Sam has. How many trucks does Sam have? Let's go to the truck. And from here, I know here's 6 tally marks. And they also write the number for us already. So the answer will be 6. Very good. Number 8. Draw tally mark for the number of cars that the tally chart and that the chart shows. Okay, so it tells us there's 8 cars Sam has, but they miss the tally chart. So we are going to help him to draw the tally mark. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, pay attention. The 5th tally mark should cross 4 of them first before you continue. These are 5 tally marks, 6, 7, 8. We are going to stop 8 because here tell us there's 8 tally marks in total, right? 好啦, let's go to the number 9. Circle the word that make the sentence true. Let's see the left side first. The number of tally mark is for truck is, we know there's 6 trucks Sam has. And you are going to either circle greater, less, or equal. Let's see what kind of things they are compared for. The number of tally marks for cars. We know there's 8 cars that Sam has. So it will be definitely less than, because 6 is less than 8. This is the answer for number 9. I hope you all got it. Okay, the last page. This is a harder one, so I need everybody pay attention. Ready? Let's go. Chang visits the zoo. He sees 2 lions. He sees 4 more elephants than lions. He sees 3 fewer monkeys than elephants. Make a bar graph. Okay, we are going to make a bar graph for Chang to see how many animals he sees at the zoo. Let's start with the first sentence. Here it says, he sees 2 lions. So we know 1 animal for 1 box. So here's 2, and we are going to color 2 boxes. You are going to stop right here and color the 2 boxes for how many lions Sam see at the zoo. This is for lion. Now let's go to the elephant. Be careful, it's not 4 elephants because here it says he see 4 more elephants than lion. We already know he see 2 lion, and then it will be 4 more. So it will be 2 plus 4 equal 6. Right? Because here says more. This is the keyword to tell us we should use plus. So let's go back to our bar graph and make the bar for elephant. It stops at 6. We are going to mark here and then color all the box. 6 bars for 6 elephants. Very good. This is the bar for elephant. Now let's go to monkey. He sees 3 fewer monkey than elephant. Things we already know. He sees 6 elephant, and this is the keyword. I hope you underline as well. So it tells us we should minus. We should use minus subtraction, right? So it will be 6 minus 3 because it's 3 fewer. The answer will be 3. So it tells us Chang sees 3 monkeys at the zoo. Let's make a bar for monkey. Stop right here at 3, right? And color the 3 box for the monkey. Okay, this is the bar graph I make for Chang, what Chang sees at the zoo. Once we finish the bar graph, we can go back and finish. We can finish the questions by using this bar graph. Answer that. How many more elephants does Chang see than lion and monkey all together? This is a tricky one. I want you to pay attention. Here it says all together. We need to figure out how many for lion and monkey all together. There's a 2 lion and 3 monkey. So it will be 5 all together. So you are going to compare elephant and lion and monkey all together. There is 6 elephants he sees at the zoo. So when you compare that, you know 6 is 1 more than 5. 6 is 1 more than 5. So Chang sees 1 more elephant than lion and the monkey all together. Okay, so you can also write 6 minus 5 equals 1. This is how I got my answer. Okay, nice. Last one. Write another questions that can be answered by the bar graph. This answer can be varied. You can write your own questions, and I just quickly want to show you my questions, and I answer that by myself. My question will be, how many more monkey does Chang see than lion? And I will going to compare monkey and the lion. I know there's 3 monkey and only 2 lion. 3 is 1 more than 2. My answer will be, they are 1 more monkey than lion. Okay, this is the end of our lesson. I hope you are enjoying learning all different kind of graph, and you are going to use all this graph when you see different kind of question in your life. Okay, please remember to upload your picture to Dojo.